Hey, my people. What you're about to hear in this video is backed by expert mechanics who work here with me in the shop. So relax, we're gonna figure this out. When that message pops up, a lot of us in the shop usually say the same thing first. Don't panic, it has nothing to do with actual cats. Actually, it's referring to the active suspension system and the electronic control that monitors the vehicle's behavior in real time. Basically, it's the brain in charge of adjusting things like stability and suspension response. And when it detects something out of the ordinary, it triggers a warning, like the one you see on the screen. Talking to customers who've come into the shop with this issue, several have told us that the message just popped up out of nowhere. The vehicle kept driving normally. The suspension seemed to work perfectly, but the warning stayed on the screen. More than one person told us in frustration, the car seems fine, but it keeps saying something's wrong. This usually happens because the system is getting information that doesn't match the values it expects to find. Most of the time, it's not a serious mechanical failure, but rather a communication problem between electronic modules or a sensor that's sending data out of range. In fact, in the shop, we've seen cases where, after checking electrical connections and cleaning contacts, the message simply stopped appearing. For example, a few days ago, a customer brought in this car after it had been parked for several days during heavy rain. When we inspected it, we found that a connector near the shock absorbers was damp, which was causing erratic readings. One of the technicians even commented, sometimes a single wet connector can throw off the whole vehicle's computer. Along those same lines, other customers have told us that they replaced parts related to the suspension without first checking the electrical connections, and the errors still kept showing up. This has led us to explain to them that in many cases, the problem isn't with the physical component itself, but rather with how it communicates with the main computer. In other words, the vehicle might think there's a malfunction because it's not getting the correct information from its sensors. Additionally, several of our technicians have noticed that when the vehicle's battery is weak or the terminals have a bad connection, the electronic system becomes much more sensitive than usual. In these cases, checking the voltage and making sure the battery's in good condition usually makes the cat's message disappear, or at least significantly reduces how often it appears.